Alright, for today's bell ringer, you're going to be asked to balance this equation as a team. So you're going to receive a paper that looks like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and balance this one as a class. And then you're going to balance the second one with the person sitting next to you, and then you're going to balance the last one by yourself. This is your bell ringer, so make sure that you turn it in as soon as you've completed this. For this first one, what you're going to do is I've created the boxes just like we had before, and this is just going to help you out figure how many atoms you have. So I counted the atoms for each one of calcium. Remember, hydroxide is in parentheses, so you distribute it, so 2 of each. 2 aluminums, then 3 times 1, 3 sulfurs, and 3 times 4, 12 oxygens. 1 calcium, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygens, 1 aluminum, and then the 3 goes into the parentheses, so 3 times 1, 3 oxygens, 3 times 1, 3 hydrogens. So if you start with your metals first, such as calcium, calcium is the same, so we don't need to worry about that. And then you find that aluminum is not the same number, so I can go ahead and put a 2 here. By putting a 2 here, what happens is that it multiplies with everything that's inside the box. So that would make it 2, 6, and then 6. Once I have that, now my aluminums are balanced. After I do my aluminums, I can start with my non-metals. For example, my sulfur. There are 3 here and only 1 here, so I would have to multiply this 1 with a 3. So if I put a 3 here, it multiplies with everything in the box, making this 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. So now this happens to be where my sulfurs are now balanced. If I keep going, I can do that and then just come back, to the things that are no longer balanced. So I can keep going and seeing if there's another non-metal. And then your oxygens and hydrogens are at the end. So I can look at my hydrogen. There's 2 here, and then there's 6 here. Okay, so remember that I said that I can go ahead and put a number here to multiply, and which is what I'm going to do. So to make it 6, I'm going to put a 3 here, and then that makes it 3 calciums, 6 oxygens, and 6 hydrogens. And then I look at my oxygens, and there's 2 on this side, so I have to add them. There's 6 here and 12 here. That makes for 18 oxygens. If I look here, there's 12 here and then 6 here. That makes for 18 oxygens as well. So my oxygens are balanced. So now all you have to do is go back and look at the numbers that you put and see if they are the same amount. So I have 3 calciums, 3 calciums. I have, remember, 18 because I added those 2, 18 oxygens, and I have 18 oxygens here. And then as far as my hydrogens, there are 6 and 6 here. And for my sulfur, there's 3 and 3 on the other side. And the aluminum, there's 2 and 2. So if I don't need a number here, I just put a 1. And now what I do is I fill out those blanks with the coefficients that I came up with. So that's 3, 1, 3, and 2. Okay, go ahead and continue. And you're going to do this next one with your partner and this one by yourself.